Hello, this is me, Ali Raza, and I'm an owner of a Google Party company. And in case if you need help with the Google Ads campaign, Google Ads audit setup management, Google Merchant Center audit setup management, or need help with Shopify web development, or need help with Google Business Profile or Google Local Service Ads, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. And we look forward to working with you. Now let's move back to the amazing question I have today. And the question is, hello Ali, excited to talk with you. Hi, same here. I run a small business in the UK supporting families when they are having babies. I set up a Google ad about 2.5 years ago. It's never been perfect, although I did set it up following some training, so I don't think it's dreadful either. So, either way, congratulations that you tried to set it up. It only has a tiny budget. 1.5 pounds a day, but because my competitors would also be other one woman business and the ad is super local, it's always performed okay until recently. My clicks are way down, and actually my ad isn't even spending its tiny budget. My guess is the cost i would need to I would need to pay per click has gone up. More people advertising. It's a responsive search ad. I do have a conversion setup of people visiting the page I most want them to on my website. I did much rather than the conversion was if anyone filled in the contact form but have tried and failed to see that up. Do you have any idea whether what Google is recommending me to do below is a good idea? So appreciate any insights. Very happy to screenshot any of them for that may be useful. Thank you so much. So this is your data. So if you think that your campaigns are going recently down, look, maybe due to Easter. So we have to give her more time. Sometimes it's an event, which is the reason. The other is your quality score may also be fluctuate. I think that majority of the people do not look for or optimizing their quality score, and that is the point where we need to work around that. We need to optimize our quality score. Higher the quality score, the lower the CPC we have to pay for the same product, same place, same location, same keyword, same ad position. So we can reduce the CPC cost by optimizing our quality score. Now that is one aspect. Now because you said about your competitor, it's a high time to analyze your competitor, and you will need to bring more relevancy to your landing page. Sometimes even optimizing your landing page also helps. Also, when there are no changes in a long time in a Google Ads campaign, what happens is that they suddenly start performing bad, same like your scenario. So it's a good idea to look for your search terms, optimize them, see for your locations, see when people are converting most, look for the timing, look for the location, look for the days, which days you are getting more conversions, which time you are getting more conversions. Spend more money on those days, and less on poor performing days. These small changes can help you even optimizing your Google Ads campaign, and you can even get up even above than your competitors. So I hope you are going to follow these small changes for your small business. So yeah, good luck. But again, in case if you need us to fix your Google Ads campaign, or in case if you need me and my team to do a deep audit of your Google Ads account, we will love to work around. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we will even create a detailed video regarding what's happened with the account and how we were able to optimize it. So yeah, in case if you need our services, you can hire us through the link in the description. I hope you like my quick answer. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.